Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today is Sunday, so we are headed to our second therapy session, in which I need to put the address in my GPS so I can make sure I'm on the right street. But yeah, we're headed to our second therapy session, and then after that I'm gonna run to the store to grab a few things really quickly. I'm just grab a few cases of water, some cinnamon rolls, and some orange juice because we're doing brunch at Tuki's this afternoon, or really in like an hour and a half. So that's what I'm bringing, and I'm gonna stop back by the house, get the boys, and then we're gonna head over there. Why would you walk out here when you see me? Anyhow, yeah, I'm headed to therapy, so I just want to check in with y'all, kind of let y'all know what we're doing for the day. Oh boom, I'm literally 1 minute away. See, I'm early. I literally just left the house 1 minute ago and I'm already a minute away. Sure, we'll end up going to my mom's for a little bit, and that will be that. I don't really have anything else planned for the rest of the day off the top of my mind right now. Is this camera off or is it me? No, I think it's the actual tripod, not the camera. But yeah, so of course I'm bringing y'all along with me, so if anything else does end up happening, y'all will know. But I just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know I'm headed to session número 2. I'm really excited. I think next time I'm going to do what is it called? I'm gonna do mine like via Zoom call, because I really did not want to get up this morning, and then I'm coming, I had to get dressed. Couldn't find a black shirt that don't go all the way up to my neck, because this do not look right with no like jacket like this. So yeah, I'm about to text my therapist and let her know that I'm outside, and then we about to go in. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of her office to like go on my little thumbnail, because y'all, her office is so cute. Like, everything is golden white, just how I like. What was the date? Last Sunday, because that was the last time I would have texted her. Okay, y'all, I am all finished up at therapy. I just stopped by Fiesta real quick to grab a few things that Tuki wanted me to get for brunch. But y'all, therapy was so good, and like this morning I really did not feel like getting up to go, but I'm so glad that I did. Like, y'all, it was just like so good, like, and I'm excited to talk to Cash and Tuki about it, because they have been asking me about like finding one. I was like, yes, definitely go. Like, y'all know I'm all for therapy, like regardless of if you're dealing with anything major in your life or not. It's still good to like have somebody else's guidance and perspective, somebody who does not have an emotional attachment to anything that you're doing, because they don't benefit or gain anything from swaying you a certain way or another. So I'm just like really excited. Like, oh baby, she had me up and up in a cry, and it's not even because of any of the topics we were covering, but a lot of the time she lets me lead the conversation, of course, aside from like regular intake questions and stuff. But like when we ended off the session, and this was like off the time, because like you have like a set time per session or whatever, time was up, she just started rolling and speaking affirmations into me. And like I don't even know that it was affirmations, but she was speaking affirmatively over the things that I'm already implementing and putting into place for myself and my kids. And so she was just like basically like telling me to stay on that track. Don't worry about anything or anybody else who is not serving your purpose in a positive way. And she was like saying, be mindful, because she said you're at a huge transformational period, and the energy that you have around you can really add to that or take away. I don't know, it was just like the way that she put everything into words, and just like the way that she was looking at me and like smiling. Like, you can tell when somebody's being genuine and sincere, which is why I definitely, like, I had the option to do my my therapy virtually, but it's not the same. You can't feel that same energy as you feel in person. You can't read that body language the same, the facial expressions, just like everything that makes a conversational transaction important, like the things that are a priority in a conversation, which I think is like body language, tone, facial expressions. Like, those are things you can't read through a computer or through a text message. So yeah, I was so excited though. Like, I really I'm not going next week because next Sunday is Christmas, of course, but she was like, I'll be here New Year's. I said, oh yeah, definitely. Like, we need that, because I need to make sure that I'm staying focused and just like buckled down. I went over like my goals and stuff with her. I just told her, you know, years prior I've like made a whole bunch of unrealistic goals that are not like fitting for where I am in life right now. So I told her, like, 2023 I've decided I'm gonna have 4 major goals, and I'm gonna give myself 1 goal per quarter. And I laid them out to her in order, because some things have to happen before other things can be put into place. So like, she was just like really genuinely excited for me, and speaking positivity and affirmative things into what I have planned, or into what I'm doing, into what I'm going to do, into what I have put in place to accomplish next year. So like, if I can just like keep that same energy with myself, and kind of like she said, like, cross out all the variables that are not adding to what I want to do for me and my kids, then I will be fine. Like, I feel like I'm definitely on track to knock out everything that I want to knock out in 2023, everything that I'm gonna knock out in 2023. So I'm really excited. Just wanted to come on here and share that with y'all really quickly. Oh, and I didn't get a picture of her whole office, but I took a picture of like one of the corners that has like this cute little bookshelf, because my first session I was definitely all up over there trying to see like what books and stuff she had. So yeah, y'all gonna see it in the thumbnail though. Definitely can't wait to add that in there. But I'm about to pull back up to the house so I can stop and get the boys situated, and then we are gonna head to Tuki's for brunch. So I'll probably see y'all then. Good morning, y'all. So I did not finish vlogging yesterday. Just because, one, when we first got to Tuki's house, I forgot my camera in the car on the tripod. So that was reason number one. And then y'all, Michael was showing out like I don't even have words, but he definitely at the age where he pushing his boundaries and testing the waters. And I am currently headed to work. Did not want to get up this morning. Like, y'all, this is the perfect weather to stay in the house and sleep. It's cold, it's dark, it's rainy. Like, nobody wants to get up and go to work in these. But yeah, oh crap, I left my planner at the house. But everything that I have to do today is mainly through the computer. Or like my top 3 things that I need to get done this week. I need this form that I need to get from Montgomery County, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to get it from like the courthouse or the law library, or I'm not sure where I'm gonna have to get it from. And then I need to file my LLC. I'm just trying to do everything in order so that it like makes sense. But yeah, I left my planner at home, but thankfully, since I actually already wrote everything down, I actually remember what I need to do. But yeah, just want to come on here and tell y'all good morning, because I know I disappeared on y'all yesterday. I'm not gonna talk to y'all as much while I'm at work either, just because I'm expecting it to be a slow day, so I'm gonna take the time to like transfer more videos and get stuff edited so that I'm not doing it like the same day of. But yeah, so I guess I'll see y'all later. Say hi.
Not really.
Okay, well, real quick, while I'm waiting on my food to simmer, I'm just making some spaghetti, y'all, because I said I need to make me something I can eat on for the rest of the week, because I do not be wanting to come in here and like wait for something to cook every day, and then I end up wasting money on fast food. So I said, make me something I can eat on for the rest of the week. New phone came in the mail, so I'm about to open it up really quickly so I can start backing up the new one, so it could be doing that while I'm eating, and I'm not like wasting any time sitting around looking like when it's gonna be done. This comes in a cute little T-Mobile box. And let me get the little tape off the back. What does it say? Gold iPhone 13 Pro, 256 gigabytes. Here we go. And y'all, I really thought this phone was coming like Saturday, because I paid for overnight shipping. But here we go, here we go, here we go. But yeah, I paid for overnight shipping and that did not happen. Need to get a screen protector and a, well, I guess I'll just put this case on here for now. Oh, we got a new phone. Ugh. Let me go ahead and turn it on and get it set up. I don't really be having nothing going on, y'all. Like, my life is very minimal, like I've already told y'all. But the stuff that I do be having on, I try to make it exciting and incorporate y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this phone set up. Dang it, what's the password to the Wi-Fi? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video here. I'm gonna just spend the rest of the night setting up my phone. I already edited and uploaded tomorrow's Vlogmas. Y'all, we almost at the end of the road. Like, Christmas is this week. That's crazy. But yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. This is a little look, y'all. It's giving 80s. Is it 80s? Yes, it's giving 80s. It's giving rock from whatchamacallit, Raising Canon. Minus the glasses. And she don't be wearing her hair in a bun. She always got her hair down. But the turtleneck and the gold hoops is giving rock. Play with your mama, not me. But yes, I'm just about to spend the rest of the night getting my phone set up. I'm gonna probably get on the computer and do some more applications, because my last day at work is Friday. I probably should have made sure I had something lined up first, but oh well. God got me, and I'm walking on faith. And I'm actually like not really stressing, because where I am like mentally, I feel like I'm good to go. Like, I'm good. But yeah, I lied, y'all. We in the Target, but only because I looked online because I need some AirPods, and I saw the Walmart has them on sale for $89 in Target price matches. So, cause y'all ain't see me all over here, little OOTD. I need to start looking at these because I'm gonna get Micah one for his birthday. I was gonna get it for him for Christmas, but I was like, if I get him everything for Christmas, his birthday literally 2 weeks after, I ain't gonna have nothing else left to get. So yeah, I need to start looking at those so I know what to get him. Baby, this camera needs to pick up on the little focus because what's taking all day. Okay, there you go. Oh, this would be cute to get for my brother, but I already got him something. I don't think he would like the pink on it though. Y'all, look how cute these are. They don't have a price tag on them, so I don't know how much they are, but I don't see any other pairs. Bro, they would have these in stock now that they're not on sale no more. So y'all, Target did not have the AirPods in stock, so I still had to come to the ghetto, aka Walmart. But I can't be vlogging up here like that because they music extra loud, but I'll see y'all when we get back into the electronics. Look at these little phone cases. They look like puffer jackets, and they're actually like so cute. They price is hitting on these stainless steel cups though. But let me get what I'm getting, get up out of here. Okay, y'all. Every time I go to Walmart, they show me why, exactly why I refer to them as the ghetto. Like, first of all, I had already checked on on the website. For their availability for these AirPods before I even came up here. But I stopped at Target first because Target is literally right there. What the fuck is that noise? No fucking idea what that noise is. But anyway, so yeah, I went to Target because Target is closer to the house. It would have been more convenient just to go right there, grab the AirPods, take my ass home. So Target didn't have them in stock. Okay, boom. What the fuck is that noise? I don't know what the freak the noise is, but anyways, so yeah, Target didn't have them. So I'm like, okay, I double checked before I came up here because it says that Walmart has them in stock. So I get up here and the dude in the electronics department is standing around leaning over on his phone and like act like he ain't want to help me. So I asked him, do y'all have any AirPods in stock? Never said a model or anything. No, we don't got no more. I just sold the last pair. I said, of which gens? He just stood there looking at me like, sir, I did not come up here to play with you. I came up here to make a purchase. But he was like, well, which gen you looking for? I said gen 2. Cause how you gonna tell me y'all ain't got none, but you don't even know like which model I'm talking about? So he was like, oh yeah, we don't got none. I just sold the last pair earlier today. So I'm like, earlier today. So I go back on the app again to check, and it clearly says available at this location. So I'm like, okay, whatever, bro. I just placed the order to pick it up tomorrow. It said it'll be ready by 11 a.m. Like, how it's gonna be ready tomorrow, but y'all ain't got none? Like, one of y'all lying. And I think I know which one of y'all it is. But yeah, we headed back to the house, y'all. When we get there, I'm gonna show y'all the case and the tempered glass that I got. I mean, the tempered glass ain't really nothing exciting. I mean, the case ain't either. The case look just like the tempered glass, but I'm gonna show y'all anyways because that's the only thing I got today, even though that's not what I came out the house to get, but it's one less thing I have to worry about. Okay, y'all, I just made it back to the house. Where's this little belly? All I hear is it jingling, baby. But yeah, real quick, gonna show y'all what I got. Two things, real simple. Phone case. They didn't really have that many options, so I just got the clear because my phone is gold, so it'll still be cute. Y'all know gold is my color. And then I got this tempered glass. It's by the brand Zag, I guess. Let me see if it has a little cloth for me to wipe my phone off. Keep one of these on me at all times. So, where is the phone? Oh, all the way over here. I guess if I had the phone, I could actually put the stuff on it. I'm gonna do the tempered glass first. So, wiping it clean. Okay. Stuck the phone in there. And I'm about to put the little thing on here. And it's gonna be straight, y'all. I'm really excited because every time it be on there, we're crooked. So the thing has holes up here at the top, and you can stick it in there. Gonna peel it off, and there we go, tempered glass, and it's on there straight. Let me wipe off the back of the phone and put my case on there, and then we in business, Miss Girl. Bam, we in business. Boom, and y'all can still see me. Gold, yes. When I be picking up my phone case, that's what I'll be looking at. Like, how cute is it gonna be when I'm taking my mirror selfie? But okay, y'all, for real this time, I'm about to go because it is already almost 10 o'clock. I'm supposed to be in the bed by now. I just got back to the house. But yeah, I'm just about to get in the shower, get my stuff ready for work in the morning, and call it a night. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas.